Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
Today or tomorrow, please make sure you help me and share. You want to go? Ken, God bless you. God bless you. I want you to look at this road now. Now. You want to go? BK John, God bless you. God bless you for Lagos. All my fans, where they Lagos, make sure you vote. Please, Donatus Ilo, check my page very, very well. You can see the link. You can see the link on my page. Click on the link. The voting is so easy as ABCD. You got to go. If you click on the link, you click here. Or say you get your email first. You got to go. And when you put your email, you put your password or big here after. Maybe why? It's your date of birth. Make sure that the year they correct with your email. You want to go? Make sure the year they correct with your email. You want to go? So, it's your email. You got in the next step. You have surname, middle name, and first name. If you look about too much, you want to go? Use one name, use one email to cast your vote. Ude Islam, God bless you from Italy. God bless you. I hope you voted. Ude Island. You have to go. So the voting is so simple as ABCD. You have to go. Anybody that's having smartphone is so easy as ABCD. And I'm happy. One of my fans called me the first day. The man called Freedom of My People. The most engaged fan called me the first day and telling me how he voted and how all his friends he introduced to all his friends to vote. It's not by you voting, it's that you have to go. Ndị Nigeria nọ na abụọ ha time campaign enwe ife a na-akpọ ya asị gị a na-enwe chain group ofu onye akpọta mmadụ 5 akpọta mmadụ 10 mmadụ 3 akpọta mmadụ 20. You have to go. Obi Ibu. Currently now, Abia State is leading on the voting. The place where Martin Kano is coming. That was to show you that Abia people really want their brother out. And they really want Biafra out. You want to go? So, Paul Ubona, God bless you from Abuja. Ikechukwu, God bless you. John Woods, God bless you. Dimamo, God bless you. Okay. After this live video, I will still drop the link. You have to go. For those of you that don't know my face, I'm more funny biggie. That guy needs to go online. The celebrity driver. You have to go. Yesterday, somebody come to my DM and be asking me, Bright Ever John, God bless you from Ebony. Zaza Alozie, God bless you. I see you. You have to go. One love all over the country, all over the world. Today is this market. I want you to see the fear of my Sasamonepa. Tell me your location. What's happening? All my fans in Onitsha. Where are you in Onitsha? Tell me what's happening in Onitsha. You have to go. This motor you are seeing now is going to farm. You can see it. It's going to farm. You have to go. All my fans in Onitsha. You have to go. Tell me what's happening in your area. You have to go. So, one person come to my DM and be asking me, Oga, go and look for work. I go. Some of my fans who know me very, very, very well, we know that I'm not a lazy guy. I know I'm lazy. Because when you're lazy, I'm not going to data when I'm online. If I told you how much data I'm burning every day, or bringing update. If I told you how much data I'm burning 24 hours to download video, to download information from Twitter, from YouTube, you have to go and also posted it in my page. You will not believe. You have to go. So, only one I'm ego. We are that. So, God bless all my fans. God bless all my fans. They can't see me. They can't see me. My name is Oku. So, this is how we are doing it at home in our area. You want to go? Today is Martin Nankani Day. You want to go? God bless everyone. You can see how people are doing it at home. You want to go? So, Ivan Enki, God bless you. I will God bless you. Feduma, God bless you. Malago. Les Lombo. Daddy, who am I, sir? Yes, sir. God bless you from Mozambique. God bless you. Don't forget to vote. Anywhere you are watching me from Mozambique, you can vote. Even inside the bush. As long as you have internet, my brother. Click on the link and vote. Let go. Biafra, whether they like it or not, we must restore Biafra. And Biafra must come. All our brothers that living abroad because of this useless country. Today now, the dollar now is 1.5. You have to go. Now tell me the fate of a common man in this country. One carton of Indomie now is 10,000. And everything now is increasing. That's my friend, a very good friend, the most courageous man I have ever seen. The man that stands to defend himself in the front of the Nigerian Zoo police. Who am I saying? The freedom of my people. The freedom of my people. Wow, Jesus. God bless you. I see you. God bless you. Stephen Collins, God bless you. From Malaysia, God bless you. Udochukwu Darlington, God bless you. Choose Duruj, God bless you. God bless you. No, choose Duruj. No. I will walk because I have a family. I'm not a lazy. If I say one Biafrans, I'm on the lazy. And the one thing is that anything that I do in this life, people must talk. Yes, people must talk. You can see how all the whole purposes are packed. Soludo have used his hand to help Samonepa and endorse sit at home. You got to go. All the Anambarian, Soludo have used his hand to endorse the sit at home and support Maazị Samonepa. You got to go so that Kiyaneme Konwe isi. Choose through. God bless you. God bless you. You got to go. I'm not for those of my fans who is asking me I should go and look for work. If you see me, you will not recognize me. I may be fake life. I may be fake life. If you look me very, very well, you will know that woke up blown off. You have to go. But despite from that, I will not stop hustling because all hustling get a mandible. Through hustling, we dominate from 20 pounds. Through hustling, from 20 pounds, Igbo dominate the whole world. If you don't know it now. From 20 pounds, that's 20 pounds. Igbo dominate the whole world. Obodo ọbụla ije na anyị n'afọ onye Biafra na ba. Ịma na-ekwu Igbo gbasiri. Obodo ọbụla ije na anyị n'afọ onye Biafra na ba. What are we doing now? My happiness now is that Soludo have used his hand to endorse the sit at home. God bless all my fans. Udochukwu Darlington, God bless you. Sonny Babo, God bless you. Rosemary, God bless you. You have to go. You can see how everybody park his motor. I'm happy. all the shop are locked. Even that I'm afraid self to I have to use my own car and come out because nobody is above the law. Nobody is above the law. You want to go? This is junction. You can see how everybody, how as in tell me, okay, tomorrow, I will make a video tomorrow here. You will see how busy this place is. For you to see that the fear of Biafra means the of wisdom. You want to go? So don't forget to share this live video, please. Share. Don't forget to share this live video. God bless you. Remain blessed. You want to go? God bless all my fans all over the world for your support. You want to go? All the shop is under lock and key. Please share this live video so that some people will see how this at home is going in Anambar State and how Soludo endorses him. You want to go? Share. Soludo amon obo samone bakonya laka. Olamoro. Soludo amon samone bakonya laka. Ono ekwu. Samone bakonya laka. He endorsed the man. I just need the man laka. At least today sit at home. I'm ambush also. Ndị Biafra mega na ndị mmadụ. Ma Soludo anti-part. This is ndị mmadụ. Because enwute gị ma Soludo ga na-achụ go ma ndị Biafra ga na-achụ go. So ndị na-achụ go buru ibu. Nke a bụ ọsọ samone kpa. Abụọ ọsọ samone kpa na-achụ mmadụ na. Ya tago. Yes. Chukwu bụ ike obi anọ. God bless you. Nwanne obi anọ. God bless you. Remain blessed. Ya tago. Obinna na tell God bless you. The information on the ground now is that Soludo have endorsed this at home and ensure all the security agencies, anybody that they caught should be prosecuted immediately. Anybody. Ojeligwe, more papo. Anybody, now this is at home, you can see that's my boy. That's my boy. This is how he's doing his own at home with the brain boss. I will post you online. My fans will see you. That is how he do. He's doing own at home with brain boss. You have to go. So I don't want to go far. I don't want to go much. I'm tired. Okay, breathe. Okay, talk too much. You have to go. I'll get your boss. I'll get your boss. Okay, there goes. So please share this live video. Share. Okachukwu Akoma. God bless you. Start to me. Yes, true, Kadurod, yes. But some people will not believe. They tag those of us who are sitting at home, they tag us, we are attacked. But thank God today that their own governor have used his own hand to endorse the sit at home and tell all the security agencies that anybody that driving keke, shuttle bus, motor, if you are caught, should be persecuted. I'm so Oyibo immediately. That Oyibo. So I'm able to you want to go. God bless you. Remain blessed. Bishop Abo. Master. Adam. Antim, thank God. So, Stephen, God bless you. God bless you. Now so. Imani yana maybe seen to some people will be using indirect ways. You want to go? Now I talk about the game. Soludo is going direct now about the game. But some people don't know that Soludo have used indirect to enter the game. You want to go? You see more, you are going to fish those criminals out. You are going to do this, you are going to do that. You have to go. Go now. They have made a video. I reply you that they are waiting for you. You want to go? So you can go with your man, go and look for them there. Men are not smiling. Keep as well. I'm not trying to promote violence, but I'm telling you the facts. I live in whole land. I live in old Anambar precisely. I live in old Imo State precisely. I base in Okigwe precisely. So I don't base one place. I base randomly. You have to go. So anybody who is telling you nothing is at my border, something is happening 24 hours, but they will not tell you. If you like, believe. If you don't like, you don't believe. Some of my fans don't know what we are passing through every day to bring information. You have to go. They say that Nigerian army, they will come and arrest me, they will do that, they will do this. They have tired. Because every day they see me going, they see me come back. They go, now we don't be them. We take them. My own work is to tell my fans what is happening on ground. Sonia Lord, God bless you. And all my fans, if you know that you are here, you are seeing my video, and you are following me, please go and vote. If you have not voted, the whole world are watching. Let go. After this live video, my video concerning Methuselah, I think Methuselah. Let go. I will make a video about that young man. It's my brother. Because only Biafra bụ one nwoke. Ọ ndara ndị si na-adọrọ mma na-ekewapụ onwe ha n'ebe ibe ha nọ. Etego. Ka m na-ekwu, ihe na-ekwu bụ na ọ bụ na ịfụ that no ọmụnwa bụ funny big 101 bụ onye m ụzọ. My brother, follow me. Okay, now I have a video now that I'm shooting. And video now. That video, as we edit now, I cannot edit that video by myself, and I have to contact one of my friends who know best, who know more than me in terms of editing. I have to contact him. Bro, I beg, help me. I don't know. Okay, when I'm done with that video, I should let him know. Guys, on track here because it's not Ghana so. On track here because it's not Ghana. On track here because it's not Ghana. You want to go? If your brother is moving ahead of you. Now you started criticizing him. I watched his video yesterday night. I feel so pity about that very young man. I feel pity about that young man, Methuselah. I'm not against anybody, but I'm telling you the fact. You cannot bring this young man cause some money like that unless you will promoting him more and more. He know the road. Happen if you be in the moon, and some of the fans want to know, write down, nothing like I'm a funny man, write down. Only we don't sit at home. You can't get. Oh, you come outside now. Come outside. What do you know? Even though say I'm going to yourself, come from the guy to Gafia. Come from the guy to Gafia. Since sit at home, mega chief. If there's some money by mega chief, entire on channel, I should go to your own. Remember the half as content, 2 of half. You mega chief as content. Maybe ya donation. And the other government in exile. We are seeing that the Soludo say now your tax money Now your tax money is at work. Now we are seeing the donation is at work. Yes, even in our online, thank God that many people have come to their right senses to understand and see where Samonipa is driving us to. Because this man is driving us to a new dimension, according to the leader of Mazda Kano. He told us, go and listen to him. He's driving us to a new dimension. Why can't you remove shame? Metusela, why can't you remove shame in you? Why can't you remove shame? You will still have, as long as you still have your position. If you think that if you go back to Samonipa, you will lose your position. No, you will still have your position, and your followers will still be there for you. Ndị Igbo si anụ kọma mere ọnụ ọgbọ ọfụfụ. All of them are together. Come together. Happen here every time. Samonipa, I've watched that man. And when that man mention honor na live program, never. He can't do that. I never see him mentioning anybody's name. He is there for a purpose, and he is there for a mission, and he is there to accomplish what he's. Why can't you people leave that young man alone and focus on your own? Why can't you people leave that young man alone and focus on your lane? Since that you don't want to come together, you want to stay as no. We all one player, and we are trying to score in one net with one ball. You want to go? And if now Samonipa is number 9 now. Samonipa is Osime now. You people now supposed to back and defend anybody. You people now supposed to defend and back anybody who is trying to bring down Osime not to score this goal, because Samonipa now is Osime and he is striker. He is the one carrying the ball and trying to dribble the defender of Nigeria and score. Why are you now the obstacle? Why are you trying to bring him down so that he will not score the goal? Happen if you remove shame. All the donation you people have made, we are not seeing anything at work. In your own bobo in every day. Only we came 2 days video without calling someone by names. Why? Only we came 2 days video without calling someone by names. Metusela. Metu one name. I love you so much. And I know that you see the video. You will not see it. Please, Chebez Peter, God bless you. Uchebez, God bless you. Yeah, to go. Help them share this video. They should come back together and support Samonipa. Currently now, Samonipa is the only hope. Without Samonipa, by now, Nda Abaigo, Nandekano. Without Samonipa, by now, Southeast, as Somalia will be better than Southeast. Without Samonipa, our women are gonna gazi all now but in peace. Without Samonipa, me and you will not have the freedom we have today in this Southeast. Atago. Orimini furokwa ko na eri o. Orimini furokwa ko na eri. You want to go? Oh, you're in for Okia. Livingstone, God bless you. God bless you. Please share this. Share this live video as many possible as you want. Any group you find yourself, share this live video. Today is Man Kano Day, and we must keep it holy. Thank God that the governor of Anambar State have endorsed the shit at home. That is my happiness. If you don't know it now, all my fans, all the Anambarian, all my fans in Anambra State, you can confirm that video itself is still in my page. That's my work here. You want to go? Some people now will ask me, I'm watching this to the end, and they will start to attack me. before you drop a comment, listen. That's why most of my video now, most of my letter, I will say listen very well and watch to the end, so that in the kuna na ye funny big kuru. Yes, you get chance to get chafma. You listen very well. Praise God, God bless you. Yes, without that man, as in I say, I'm here. Yes. Even in Diamond Road, everybody now is panicking. Nedugu State, Sundemba, the Commissioner of Police have told Sundemba and give him a sound warning that they will not go to anybody's house and drag him out or her. Come out, you rush at home. No, we have an. I'm going to. Oh, but that man was right here. We don't want to. What do you expect? What do you expect? What do you expect from this country? Thank God for the Biafra government in exile. Thank God for the mission. Thank God for the accomplishment Samonipa is making. Whether you people like it or not, whether you like support or not support, Samonipa is making a great move. 24 hours. 24 hours. Some of you don't listen to news. Some of you don't listen to news. You don't need the ball. Most of my fans today, most of my fans stop following me. They stop listening to my video because that I'm not posting where they are shooting gun again. I'm not posting where they are shooting gun again. That is the reason why you are following Funny Big Community. You are here to get information. I'm on the whole land. My brother. I don't come Malaysia, I don't come Dubai. I'm na whole land. Nani. You got any Dubai. You got any Dubai. You Dubai. So if you think that I'm on the whole land, or the other, yeah, John, God bless you. Emmanuel, God bless you. Chibi Kemu, God bless you. Edia and Peter, God bless you. Emmanuel, Ode, God bless you. Yatago. God bless all my fans for your support. Yatago. Whether you people like it or not, those of you who is fighting Samonipa, where were you when the military are crying that Samonipa have taken the airspace? Do you know what it means? Do you know what it takes for a person? Do you know what it takes for a person to take the airspace and the Nigerian army are crying? Some of you don't listen to news. Some of you don't know what's happening. Some of you, that's why I don't blame some of you that comment negatively. You have to go. Do you know what it means for all the whole oil company in Biafra land that they will obtain license, and they will obtain license from Biafra government in their side? And according to information, they are ready to obtain the license. As in my ear, do you know what that money? Do you know what that great move means? All of you who are fighting Samonipa, where are you when Samonipa is making all those great moves? Since man Kanu Emre kidnap, as in Kedi Guru, I want to know. Kedi I want to know. As in, I'm not going to see this video now. I can't see them. That's the end here because now even that it was him. What am I saying? Come back. Remove shame. I'm on my feeling the moon. Remove shame and support someone. Support him. Support someone. And that man, intelligent, too much. If you not like, Kwane has stored. Order, and I'm on Namanda. But let's assume that one of store. Yeah, I'm on Namanda, but let's assume another person that will rose up will be more deadly and more fire than someone. Remember, mark my word today. Mark my word. Because now the government told us, and the government, if you like, you can arrest me. Even though that you buy me today, Biafra will come today. And even though that you arrest me, the person is coming is more fire than me. That is Simon Ekpa. See that people don't want to support this man. I'll go move over Nanya. Only make a kangaroo ago. Yes, no. Only make a kangaroo ago. Last, we have seen where you landed yourself. Last, you have used yourself and created enmity between you and Biafra. Why? Because of political money. I have ambition. He said, I have ambition. I have a future. I have ambition. A political career. Now we have seen where you landed. Welcome. Okay. We are waiting for you. Because come out now, we are waiting for you. At least we vote for you now. Yes. I got to vote. No while. I got to vote. I have ambition. Because if you feel that nobody is listening to you again, I feel pity on all those your fans. I feel pity on all those, and I feel pity on everybody who is calling Simon Ekpa. I feel pity on that person. And the land of Biafra will judge that person. The land of Biafra will judge that person. And many of them who is commenting those rubbish, many of them are not in this whole land. They are not seeing what we are seeing. You people are living in a country that they have a law. You people are living in a country that's arranged. You people are living in a country that we're arranged, we're organized. You don't know what we are passing. You people are living in a country where you can send $1,000 to Nigeria, and in Nigerian money, we'll put 1.5 million. You people don't know what we are passing every day by day this year. And you have the mind, you have the God to call Simon Ekpa. The God of Biafra will judge you. Let me talk. Now we not be them. And my happiness now is that everything they know a reason. Because when you have a man who calls this one, Soludo, your governor, have endorsed the sit at home. Indirect. How I wish I have the opportunity to move around Tonitsha. Because even me that I'm afraid nobody's above mistake. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to follow my page. I'm still your boy, Funny Big Community 101.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.